Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Fun with Yarn. Today I am going to teach you how to knit box stitch. Look at this stitch, it's very beautiful, both sides same, and it's need multiples of 4 plus 2 stitches. It's 4 row pattern. I'll show you to you how to do. I'm using today with this count stitch count as well. I already knit I already cast on 18 stitches, and first row I'm going to start with 2 knit, one knit, 2 knit is the first two, and then after that we need purl 2 knit 2. This is the repeat pattern. Purl 2 knit 2, purl 1, purl 2, knit 1, 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 knit 2, and other side row 2, and I'm going to stitch marker row 2. It's go again purl 2, first two stitches purl 2, then knit 2, purl 2. I'm going to do purl 2 first, 1, 2, then after that it's repeat pattern, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2, knit 1, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2, knit 1, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2. Now is third row. We are going to repeat. We are going to repeat row 2 again. Row 2 is purl 2, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2. Next repeat stitches, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2, knit 1, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2, knit 1, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2, knit 1, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2. Now it's fourth row. fourth row we are going to repeat row 1 again. Row 1 need to first two stitches knit, then purl 2, knit 2, knit 1, knit 2. Now repeat pattern, purl 2, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2, knit 1, 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 knit 2. This is the end of 4 rows, and you need to continue again 1 to 4. It's, look at this, it's the box already in there. Okay, I'll see you after few rows again. In a few rows our pattern is look like this. This is the right side, this is the wrong side. Both are look same. This pattern is very beautiful, it's easy. And thank you for joining with me. See you again with another beautiful pattern.